Well, guys, everything's ready to start the flight. Shall we head to Pampulha?
Let's go!
Hey, Flying With Me followers, Romulo here. Today I have a new camera and passengers on board. My old friend Tiago. Tiago is from Via Aérea. We work together doing scenic flights. Yeah, a few cargo flights at Helicfly Air Taxi. He owns Via Aérea. So if you want to fly a helicopter, you have to look for this guy here. I'll leave his Instagram here too, so you can get in touch and book your sightseeing flights or any kind of flight, right, Tiago?
Yes, I'm available.
That's it. And he's going to fly with me until... We've been friends for a long time, like I said. He's going to fly with me all the way to Pampulha. Back there is my very important person, passenger Bruno. He's subscribed to the Flying With Me channel. He's from Nova Lima. He's from my city. And this is the guy who works on my variant. He's the mechanic for my variant. He's going to take this flight with me too. He's a great friend of mine, and we're going to fly to Pampulha to leave the machine for maintenance. Nothing's wrong, but as I always say, helicopters require preventive maintenance. So it's based on flight hours or time. This machine is due for maintenance because of time. So we have to take it to the shop. It stays there for 2 or 3 days and then comes back. So let's go. Coordination at LBH, Papa Sierra India Tango Mike will take off towards Sector Echo. Oh boy. Let's sweep up to the main point's middle. Now we begin checking the machine's parameters to ensure everything is fine. Starting approach to LBH, judge for Eco, 90 Romeo Echo. India Tango Mike has taken off, it's in the Eco sector. It will fly heading on Estego. I'm visual with you, command.
Negative visual. He's going to head for 040, passing the antennas. Start descent, 90 Romeo Echo.
Alright, command, I'm above the small dam where there are many horseflies. I'm heading... Olhos d'Água. Helicopter spotted, 66. I see it. Do you see how BH is still under the clouds?
Exactly. It's dissipating, but it's still...
Let me call the control. BH control, Papa Sierra India Tango Mike, good morning.
Papa Sierra India Tango Mike, morning. Control here. Confirm position and altitude.
India Tango Mike is now at takeoff from LBH heading towards BH shopping. Set to 2011 for landing at Pampulha, currently at 4,500 feet.
Roger, set to 013. Keep heading to the park, India Tango.
Careful, obstacle.
013, heading to Park India Tango Mike.
Careful, obstacle.
Since it's cloudy here, I'll go underneath. See?
Uh-huh.
Control, 9 uniform. I'll check if it's lined up.
Test is for Uniform Golf for crossing for reactivator. Call Belo Horizonte Tower 980.
To the tower, 1180 for crossing.
Costa Lima, control.
PH. I did a flyover here in the whiskey sector. And now I'm proceeding to Pampulha. I'm here at the park position, heading to the park position. I'll talk to control in a bit.
Is India Tango Mike already returning to the other park?
Heading to park, India Tango Mike.
Roger. Preparing for landing.
Standing by for coordination, India Tango Mike. He'll coordinate with Pampulha, and I need to transfer you to 1180 Pampulha Tower. Are you recognizing it from up there, Bruno?
A lot of things, you know. I forgot to check the field arena.
Ah. Was it Tiago who sent you?
Yeah, I have it here.
India Tango Mike. Contact Belo Horizonte Tower on 8101.
Okay. BH Tower 180. Thanks. Good job. So here, look. Municipal Park.
Liberty Square, right side.
Municipal Park here on the right as well. Station Square. Now I'm going to call the tower. BH Tower, good morning. Papa Sierra India Tango Mike passing the park, switching to your frequency. Paposa Gale. Set to 1016. You're flying into the wind. They called through the tower, the India Tango Mike. 12106, thank you. Maneiro to my left, bus station below. Watch out for the speed bump.
Look what's going to happen. Guys, wasn't that machine great?
Isn't it awesome?
Really cool. Time machine.
It's true. This is really awesome, and the comfort of this one is different, right?
You're not crazy. Totally. It's already by the airport.
No, brother.
We're here to live the extraordinary.
It's on the tower's crossbeam, India Tango Mike.
Her name, right?
Okay, India Tango Mike will pass to the left of the tower. Direct approach. Are you aware of the conditions? Thank you.
Isn't her name Priscilla? She makes the videos from the tower, right?
Yeah. But I think today, right?
She's not there anymore. She had already made her presence known.
She's a good person.
Did you leave it on autopilot or turn it off?
No, I already turned it off. But there's still some help here, see? It's active all the time, but then I override it. Free, grateful, good. All set.
How delicious, man.
So good, right? We landed at Pampulha. Well, guys, we landed here at Pampulha. We took off from LBH to Pampulha, did a flyover in the whiskey sector of the city to charge the battery, right? The generator charged the battery, the machine spun, and they landed. Tiago, how was the flight?
Isn't this machine incredible?
Wonderful, right?
As a pilot, we already know he's the best, but the machine is perfect.
And you, Bruno, what did you think of the flight?
The machine is fantastic, very smooth, excellent.
Excellent. Wonderful, right? All right, Commander. Then everyone liked.
Top of the line.
Thanks, everyone. Take care. God bless. I'm out.